Hello, this is Beef Jerky, and we're going to try to make a DIY mesh mask.
First, you'll need a large piece of cardboard, Gorilla Tape, scissors, and a pencil or a marker. And of course, you'll need your Airsoft goggles. Grab your goggles, hold them up to the edge of the cardboard, then trace the bottom edge of the goggles. But before moving on, check that your goggles still line up. Grab your pencil and draw a rough sketch of what you want your mask to look like. Here, I decided to shape mine kind of like a beak. Now cut it out, making sure to leave just a little space between your cut and your line, as you may mess up later on. Now, clean up the rough parts to make it more ergonomic. Now bend the cardboard as it will come into play later. Now, cut a few strips of Gorilla Tape, making sure they will be the right length. Then stick them on to the point where they are touching. This may take a few tries. After this, cut off the excess in whatever way you desire. I just chose this way. To really test the strength, let's shoot it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Here's some pictures of me wearing it. I know I look pretty dumb, but it's better than being shot in the face.
See ya!